What if a pickup didn't just conquer terrain, but rewrote the rules of domination? Meet the 2026 Toyota Warlord 6x6, a revolutionary off-road beast engineered to blur the line between military muscle and futuristic luxury. This isn't just a truck, it's a game changer. Built for those who believe the future should arrive loud, lifted, and absolutely unstoppable. What if a pickup didn't just conquer terrain, but rewrote the rules of domination? Meet the 2026 Toyota Warlord 6x6, a revolutionary off-road beast engineered to blur the line between military muscle and futuristic luxury. This isn't just a truck, it's a game changer, built for those who believe the future should arrive loud, lifted, and absolutely unstoppable. From the very first glance, the Warlord 6x6 looks like it rolled straight out of a tactical command center. The aggressive digital camo exterior, armored body cladding, reinforced steel bumpers, and that towering high-clearance stance create an unmistakable presence. 3 axles, 6 massive off-road tires, a widened track that screams stability. LED light bars slice through the night, while the elevated roofline and heavy-duty rack hint at expedition-ready capability. This machine doesn't follow traffic, it dominates it. Step inside, and the beast transforms. The cabin feels like a digital command cockpit. Premium leather seats with bold contrast stitching meet rugged carbon fiber-inspired trim. A massive central touchscreen anchors the dashboard, seamlessly integrating navigation, terrain management systems, and full vehicle diagnostics. The fully digital instrument cluster delivers real-time axle torque distribution and off-road data right in your line of sight. Heated and ventilated seats, multi-zone climate control, and a premium surround sound system ensure that even in the wild, comfort is never compromised. Tactical? Yes. Refined? Absolutely. Now let's talk power. Under the hood, the Warlord roars with intelligent force. A twin-turbo V6 hybrid performance system pushing an estimated 520 horsepower. This 6x6 isn't just about size, it's about controlled aggression. Advanced all-wheel drive architecture distributes power across all 6 wheels, maximizing traction on mud, sand, snow, you name it. A reinforced suspension system with adaptive dampers absorbs brutal terrain effortlessly. 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds in a 6-wheeled armored truck. Shocking? Definitely. But this is the future of extreme performance. And it's not just muscle, it's smart. Toyota's latest driver assist suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree tactical camera system designed for tight off-road navigation. The reinforced chassis increases structural rigidity, while advanced terrain response modes automatically adjust throttle mapping, suspension height, and traction control. It doesn't just react, it thinks. That's not just power, that's precision. So, where does it stand in the market? The 2026 Toyota Warlord 6x6 targets elite off-road enthusiasts, collectors, and tactical lifestyle buyers who demand exclusivity. Expected pricing around $350,000. That places it against custom-built 6x6 conversions and ultra-luxury off-roaders. But unlike many aftermarket builds, this machine feels purpose-engineered from the ground up. Bold, unapologetic, unmatched. Is this the truck Toyota always dreamed of building? A symbol of American capability, innovation, and over-the-top presence? The Warlord 6x6 doesn't just challenge expectations, it crushes them under 6 massive tires. If you crave vehicles that push boundaries and reshape the road ahead, this tactical titan deserves your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. And tell me, Which feature impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below.